Want to streamline your concept design programming? Snaptrude offers 3 powerful ways to create programs with live edits to your 3D spaces. First, start with AI-generated programs. Just type a prompt or upload your RFP, and Snaptrude instantly creates a detailed program brief with departments, spaces, and area targets, saving you hours of setup. Second, you can build a custom program manually. Enter space names and counts, then adjust values and formulas just like you would in Excel. Snaptrude auto-calculates areas and updates totals in real time. Third, if you already have program data, you can import CSV files directly. Snaptrude instantly converts your spreadsheet into 3D blocks, color-coded by department, and linked live with your program for real-time updates. This powerful integration between programming and modeling lets you validate areas and explore design options faster than ever. Try now at snaptrude.com.